Alright, this is the power switch, the back side of the power switch. And this one up here in the corner, you can tell that is a cracked solder joint. I can't quite get to it. But can you see that crack? Yeah, there's a little crack in there. That one doesn't look that great either. None of them do. That one looks like it's cracked. Yeah. Those are getting resoldered. So I'm actually going to remove solder from the connector ports and then resolder them, because these just don't want to, they don't want to take no solder at all. I don't like how that looks, so I'm going to desolder them and then put all new fresh solder for those. These seem to flow pretty good. I've done one already and it had cracked joints too. So yeah. Alright. Just wanted to point that out. It looks like they all have cracked joints. Probably all going to have cracked joints here at the switch. Yeah. I better look at the other side too, the little on-off switch. Or that's a reset switch, isn't it? Yeah, I might as well resolder that too while I'm at it. Okay, cool. Okay, and here is the difference between solder blobbing and removing solder and resoldering. That is resoldered. Just a way better connection. So this guy's done. This one I'm going to remove and resolder the two connectors, and I'm going to do the rest of them. Just do all of this soldery work. I'll be back. And I have one of the little edge connectors removed. See, it came out nicely, ready for a brand new one. Back side. I did have to drill the rivets out from the back, because those things are riveted in. What I'll do is I'll buy some screws and put some nice little machine screws through there to hold the new ones down. Because the new ones that I bought look exactly like this. They look exactly like this. They got the flanges with the holes in there. I'm not riveting them. I'm just going to use screws to hold it into place really good. So yeah, 3 more to do like that. Alright, let's find one that's really damaged up. This one right here is really bad. Yeah, this one's real bad right here. So that is the one we'll do next. This one's had a lot of work done to it. It's been messed with a lot. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to solder this first, and then I'll come through and desolder it. Yes, this thing doesn't even want to take solder. Yeah, it's taking it pretty good now. After applying that flux. Alright, let's see what we get. So far, pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any trouble spots. Looks like it's going to be all good to go. Just kind of make sure they all move. And a lot of times you'll hear it break that little joint. Alright, now we're going to drill these rivets. Oh, we got to do the solder first. We got to remove solder out of these. Because you want to drill these things from the back. And just drill them out. That's it. Got the rivets out. And then this, guys, it's not pretty. You gotta, this thing don't want to come out of here. But you just gotta trust your soldering work. See, that one's a little rough coming out, so I'm going to look at it. It's that one. Yeah, let's see. Let's back it up. Yeah. This one right here. That's it. Cleanly. And we did not damage a thing. And we got the old junker out. How about that? This thing needs to be cleaned up severely. I need to buy some more deoxit. I'm going to order some deoxit. I bought these. I bought these connectors. I got them coming. And these boards need to be really cleaned up. Big time. This one I did not even... Nope, I didn't. I didn't redo these on this. And I didn't solder this connector. Whoever worked on this before soldered the switch. But I'm soldering this reset button as well. Flowing it. And let me check this. This needs to be done. Looks like it might be cracked. That is definitely cracked. Got a little crack. I'll show you. I will show you the crack. Come on down. And zoom, zoom, zoom. Ooh boy. Went too far. Can you see that crack? That ring? That, fellas, is another cracked solder joint on there. So we'll fix that. We'll solder that up. I'm going to resolder the connectors. And this one will be put aside and move on to the next. I will come back when I have that all done anyway. I just wanted to share doing one with you. And this is the worst one too. This was the worst board, the most stubborn solder. And you see it wasn't terrible. So I'll do the next two and then we'll see where we're at. Alright, the first one looks great. These things before, when I plugged them in, they were so flaky. You have to sit around and mess with the nice reset. Had to sit around and mess with these. I still might have to a little bit. I don't know. The power switch, but it's solid with the with reflowing the RF deal back here. That guy right there, reflowing that thing, nice and solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all four of them like this. Make sure that they're good to this point. And yes, guys, I forgot there is one that does this. Nothing. This one is like dead. So, yeah. So that'll be fun. Yeah, this one I forget did do that when I first got it. It was dead. So, we'll see. This one has a bad jack. Yeah, that one's just bad. So, but it works. It's just a bad jack. These things turn off automatically. Yeah, so that one needs a new jack. I'll have to take this off, you know, take that thing off and take it apart and all that. So I'll put a tag on that bad RF jack. So I got that. I got this one's dead. This one had a funky switch, but I think I fixed it with deoxit. And this one just works. So we got works good. I think this one now works good. That one needs a jack. This one is dead. So, yepper. Okay, so now I wait for parts. So that's going to be it for this for now. Alright, we'll see it when I get some stuff in. And I may look online for parts for Colecovision. I may buy 4 new switches, and I may buy RF jacks if I can find them on. I'm gonna search for Coleco parts. So, yeah. All right.